Subukan mo.
Subukan kita. Yeah. So, rest ko lang to. Turn. Rest, turn. Rest, turn. Hanggang ma-form yung edge.
That's why you have that, parang that crust.
So, ganun lang. Rest ko siya.
Parang expert lang, no?
Oo nga eh. Parang lumaking Italy si John.
Gising daw niya.
Parang and then,
Same on the other side?
papalitan natin and then stretch na siya.
And it gets bigger as you create that, yung parang dulo ng crust. Right.
So, stretch na siya.
Stretch it a little bit. Yeah. Nice. Pro na pro.
Sa ayos na siya.
Tapos ayos sila sa same.
Ilogin natin ang post.
Wow.
Hindi naman.
Finishing touches lang. Siyempre si Suzanne, medyo
Expert na talaga.
expert na. She's been doing it for, diba? Yung
Sabi niya gusto mong part pa.
Hindi ba yun?
And then, form pa natin. So, stretch lang natin para lumapat siya.
Kasi there's a specific size, right? That you need to have it.
And then, ang next natin, i-slap yung dough.
Cool.
So, kunin ko lang.
Okay. Okay. It's called slapping.
Lalagyan ng 40.
Okay lang.
Kaya nagkano, April si
Slap siya para matanggal yung excess 40.
Takot ako na sa pamaligo ako ng
siya. Para ka lang nagsasayaw. Pag medyo, feel lang.
Okay, si John Lloyd would try slapping the dough. Slap. Kasi parang sumasayaw daw, John Lloyd.
Medyo may rhythm
Konting may ganun. Yun. Dough. Right.
Pwede yung sa mukha.
Pwede. Oh, there we go. Okay. Ako, medyo nalagyan ng 4 yung sleeves na jacket. So, tinatanggal, it's not part, no? Yung corny parang it's just so that it doesn't stick. Okay.
So,
Ayan na.
then liling natin ulit.
Puro close up na ako. Medyo
So, next step,
Biling ko down.
Baka lang ulit ang HG.
Para hindi siya ulog-log paglamig.
bubutasin.
However,
Oh, wow. Parang siyang ano.
Uy! Ano?
Kailangan natin siya.
Oo nga. Uy, ang galing. Kakaiba yun.
Slightly up. Masyadong higit.
Parang siyang ano. Torture.
Ayoko. Torture. Nakakatakot.
Dinadapot siya. So, coming from the center.
From the center out. Yun. Ah, so you have to put holes pala. Para it doesn't ano.
Yes, so that after making it up,
It doesn't flow.
mababos kasi yan.
Okay. It releases the air.
Okay.
It releases the air.
And then, we will put olive oil.
Olive oil.
Full brush olive oil. Para magkaroon ng lasa yung dough. And
Yung
then,
dough pa lang may lasa na.
para crispy na yung bottom.
Oh, wait a minute. So you mean this is the bottom part?
Yes.
And we're using olive oil.
Yes.
And then
Para masarap.
you brush.
Ayan. Ayan. Brush mo all around.
All around.
Ewan ko ako to,
So
ang
it
dami
becomes
kong lalagyan.
crispy and flavorful. Yun. So ilalim pala to. Akala ko it is the top. So we're brushing olive oil at the bottom of the crust. Nice.
The pizza screen.
Pizza screen. Okay.
So we put the crust on top of the pizza screen.
Okay, since yan ang bottom, kailangan yun ang facing down. Oh, okay.
So, lay natin on top of the pizza screen. And then, yan.
should it fit dapat yung...
It should fit the...
Suzanne B. Cruz.
You do some more stretching.
Parang dali-dali, no? When Suzanne does it, it looks very simple. Pero...
You know that the 2 or 3 for a month to make the crust.
Wow.
For the crust.
To get this just right.
It's really skilled.
Yeah.
Uy, hirog
Yeah.
ha?
And then you're now ready to flavor the crust.
The crust. Okay.
We'll start with the pizza
Dapat
sauce.
pala tumagi ako rin.
Yeah, I love that.
Ano ba yan? Tsaka doon nakatalikod siya.
Freshly
Ano ba
made
yan?
and seasoned pizza sauce.
Lado. So one lado lang.
Nakakatawa. Parang ka sa likod ng leeg niya. Ba't ganyan?
Spread.
And then John Lloyd will do
Just
the...
an inch of the edge.
John Lloyd, this is the... You know, you've been an endorser since 2008, but is this the first time you actually tried to make a pizza?
Ang hirap pala.
First time! Wow!
Like a virgin.
I wonder who the lucky guest will be. Pwede mo sabihin, pinagluto ako ng pizza ni John Lloyd.
Correct.
How many people can say that? Diba? Nice. Okay, so hanggang dulo.
Tissue. Sabi ko, tissue.
It actually looks very simple. It actually looks very easy, but it takes skill there, no? It's a skill, making pizza.
How's that?
That's okay.
But it smells good. I think I
Because I like this sauce.
hindi pa siya cooked, pero it smells very good. I guess that's why, because it's fresh.
Right.
The ingredients are all
The
fresh,
spice is there also.
right?
Then we have a special seasoning for the soup.
A special seasoning for the sauce. Only for green.
Right.
So let's start. And then we put the mozzarella cheese. Half of the mozzarella cheese is spread all over the sauce, the one in the sauce.
You know the reason we're showing you how it's done? Because this is what makes Greenwich better than ever. Because now, you know, as we go through the years, Greenwich just gets better and better and better. And now it's better than ever. Now you have freshly made crust.
And also, of course, the ingredients that we're using are also better than ever. And we're watching John Lloyd
I know.
preparing for us right now. So really,
It doesn't get fresher than this.
doesn't get better
It
than
doesn't
this.
get better than this. And it's already looking like pizza.
This is his song. John Lloyd is already getting the hang of it.
Exactly.
Parang natural na lang.
Okay, so we're done with the cheese.
So the ham.
All right.
Now we put the ham. Okay.
So sweet.
Ah, merong square, merong triangle. More geometric.
Hindi ko kaya yun.
So it's not just good, it also looks really good.
And it looks fun, ha?
Yeah.
Making a pizza.
Overloaded talaga.
Diba? Overloaded talaga. Right? Ang daming toppings eh. I mean, you know, even as it is, it already looks complete. Pero because it's better than ever, we just load it, overload it with the really good, fresh ingredients.
And now that we're seeing the
Wow.
whole process, we know how much love goes into our pizzas also and how much they put.
And I think even our endorser will have a better appreciation of
Pepper sauce spread.
hindi pala ganun kasi
He prepared.
prepare, you know, so much skill goes into it.
Then the next layer are the
Next layer
vegetables.
ham. Okay, so we have the vegetables like pepper, green pepper,
And the caramelized pineapple.
caramelized pineapple. Right?
Masarap pag caramelized yung pineapple kasi lumalabas yung sweetness.
The sweetness, right?
So that's even better.
Nice. Okay. So, parang wala ng space, no? Kasi overloaded talaga
And
eh.
it looks very pleasing to the eyes because of all the colors that we're seeing,
Uh-huh.
right?
And just like si John Lloyd, as an actor, he gets better than ever. Even the products of Greenwich just gets better through the years, better than ever.
And who knows, he might not just be an actor now, eventually he can also become a chef.
O nga, no?
Diba?
Parang
This is the
pagpapagaling
beginning.
ng Chef John Lloyd.
Magaling lang ako kumain.
Okay.
Then the next layer of
So,
mozzarella
meron palang 2 layers siya. The one at the very bottom, tapos you put another layer on top.
Here pala mo.
Wow,
The cheddar
overloaded
cheese.
talaga.
You spread the cheddar cheese all over.
Okay, so John Lloyd is spreading the second layer na, no?
A cheese, that's right.
Wow, looks good. Tsaka iba talaga pag freshly prepared.
Yeah.
Then the last layer of sauce.
And one more layer.
Space mamaya.
Okay, kaya pala overloaded.
Butter sama-sama overloaded, so yung cheesy, all-in-one pizza.
Look at that.
Freshly prepared.
There's just so much toppings on top. Ang sarap.
So, Chef John Lloyd, ano ba yung ginagawa natin ngayon?
Ini-overload ko to. Para...
That's why it's so cheesy.
Grabe, oh.
Kasi ang dami pala talaga nilalagay.
Over
Hindi
naman.
nagtitipid. Right? You've got all the really nice ingredients.
This is what we call value to our cost.
That's
Nice.
true.
So it's good ingredients and lots of it.
Which-
Tapos freshly made.
Which is why Greenwich is better than ever.
Exactly.
Right.
So this one, ano na to?
And the last one is the chopped bacon bits.
Chopped bacon bits. Wow.
So this one will give you the smoky
Yeah.
color.
Everybody loves bacon. Everybody. At saka what